Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start our worksheet. We have completed our third chapter. Tell me, what is the title of the third chapter? Yes, shopping fun. So we have completed that, and I think you all have written the answers of the activities. Yes? Okay, very good. So today we will start our worksheet. All of you take your English worksheet book. All of you take your English worksheet book. Okay? So today we are going to deal with worksheet. Page number 15. All of you take your English worksheet book, page number 15. So worksheet 1, read and understand. There is a paragraph given there. I will read that paragraph. You all should listen carefully. Okay? There are some questions related to this paragraph. All of you please be careful. Read the paragraph and answer the questions. It was a nice sunny day. Anuj went on a picnic with his family. Mummy packed lots of food to eat. Granny, Grandpa, Mummy, Papa and Anuj sat in the car. Grandpa drove the car. They went to a park. They sat on a blanket. Anuj had a great time playing with Granny and Grandpa. So now I will explain for you. It was a nice sunny day. Anuj went on a picnic with his family. So that was a nice sunny day, and Anuj went on a picnic with his family. Anuj and his family went to picnic. Mummy packed lots of food to eat. So while going for a picnic, usually Mummy packs lots of food. So here also Anuj's mummy packed lots of food to eat. Granny, Grandpa, Mummy, Papa and Anuj sat in the car. So who were there in the car? Mummy, Papa, Grandpa, Granny and Anuj were in the car. Grandpa drove the car. They went to a park. So here Grandpa drove the car and they went to a park. Children, do you like to go park? Yes? So here Anuj also liked to go park. They went to a park. They sat on a blanket. So when they reached park, they sat on a blanket. Anuj had a great time playing with Granny and Grandpa. There, while playing, Anuj had lot of fun with Granny and Grandpa. Anuj had a great time playing with Granny and Grandpa. He enjoyed a lot with his Granny and Grandpa. So here we can see that Anuj is so happy with his family. He was enjoying in the park. Do you like to enjoy with your grandpa and grandma? Yes. So here also Anuj enjoyed a lot in the park with his family. There were Grandpa, Granny, Mummy, Papa. So our first question is, where did Anuj go with his family? The answer, first question is given the Anuj and his family. So I'll read again the question. Where did Anuj go with his family? So the answer is Anuj and his family went dash. There we want to fill up. So there are two options given there. First one, on a picnic. Option A is on a picnic. Option B, to a party. So where did Anuj go? Yes, Anuj and his family went on a picnic. Where did Anuj go with his family? Anuj and his family went on a picnic. So all of you take a pencil and write the answer on a picnic. On a picnic. Okay. Then next question, second one. What did mummy pack? What did mummy pack? So the answer, first question is given the mummy packed lots of dash. So here the question is, what did mummy pack? Mummy packed lots of, two options are given there. A, toys. B, food. So the answer is food. Mummy packed lots of food. Okay. So write down the answer, food. Then third one. What did they sit on? What did they sit on? They sat on a dash. Two options are there. First one, chair, and B, blanket. A, chair, B, blanket. So the answer is blanket. They sat on a blanket. Okay. Spelling is B-L-A-N-K-E-T. Blanket. Then fourth one. Who did Anuj enjoy playing with? Who did Anuj enjoy playing with? Anuj loved playing with his dash. Options A, friends. B, granny and grandpa. Two options are there. A, friends. B, granny and grandpa. So which is the answer here? Yes, granny and grandpa. Anuj loved playing with his granny and grandpa. Then fifth one. Tick the most suitable title for the paragraph. Here we want to give a title for the paragraph, a heading for the paragraph. So which will be the correct title for this story? This is a short portion which is related to a story of Anuj, and we want to give a title for this paragraph. So tick the most suitable title for the paragraph. A picnic. B, a party. A picnic. B, a party. So we can give the option A as the answer. A picnic. Okay. So all of you tick option A picnic. So I think it's clear for you. Yes. First question answer is Anuj and his family went on a picnic. Second one, mummy packed lots of food. Third one, they sat on a blanket. They sat on a blanket. Fourth one, Anuj loved playing with his granny and grandpa. Anuj loved playing with his granny and grandpa. Fifth one, a picnic. So the title of the paragraph is A Picnic. Okay, so I think it's clear for you. Yes. Then we will move on to our next worksheet. Okay.